How are you doing, everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm showing you how to enable or disable the VPN in the Opera web browser. It's a handy feature and it should be a pretty straightforward process. Let's jump right in. Open Opera and up at the top left, find the menu icon 3 horizontal lines. Left-click that, then scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings window, look on the right side, scroll down to Advanced, and click to expand it. Underneath, you will see VPN. To turn it on or off, just toggle the switch. Flip it to the right for on, left for off. Easy. There are extra options too. You can set the VPN to connect automatically when you start Opera, bypass it for default search engines or internet sites, or even manage custom bypass rules by clicking that option to add your own. That's all, folks. Hopefully this quick guide helped you out. If it did, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.